Hello children. First, we will recall the points which we have learnt in the previous class. Swami Vivekananda was born on 12th January 1863. In Kolkata, the old name of Kolkata was Calcutta. His childhood name was Vireshwara. His father's name was Vishwanatha Datta and mother's name was Bhuneshwari Devi. His parents changed his name from Vireshwara to Narendranath Datta. When he was small, he wanted to become coachman. His mother advised him, showing the picture of Gita Upadesha from Bhagavad Gita, the holy book of Hindus, and said, "Be like Krishna who taught Arjuna." At the age of 6, he started to go to school. He read many books like Ramayana and Mahabharata. His desire was to see God. Now we will continue the lesson. He met many people, scholars, spiritual leaders, but he could not get the correct answer for his question. From one of his professors, he came to know about Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, a great saint. Finally, one day he became successful when he could meet his Guru, from whom he got the answer to his desire. Naren asked Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa whether he could see God. The Guru answered, "Yes, I have seen God in all the poor and needy people. If you feel their pain and be kind and helpful to them, you can feel God within yourself. You can experience God." Naren got his answer, and Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa became his spiritual guru. Swami Vivekananda walked miles to help the needy and to discover truth. He was kind to all and had a sympathy for the poor, and he was courageous too. These qualities helped him to become a wandering monk. Wandering means going from one place to another, traveling alone to all places to help the needy and the poor people. He often expressed his ideas on education. According to him, education should develop a complete human being. Means, according to Narendra, education is not only about gaining knowledge, but it is a process of being a good human being. It helps us build our opinions, have points of views on things in life. So education is very important for everybody. Naren became saint and got the name as Swami Vivekananda. He travelled all over the world. He participated in the religion conference at Chicago on 11th September 1893. He began his speech with the words, "Sisters and brothers of America." Immediately there was a thunderous applause. Applause means claps from the vast audience, and it lasted for 2 minutes. He delivered his speech on greatness of Hindu religion. He spoke that Hindu religion is very vast as the sky and deep as the ocean. He thanked all those who had assembled there, means he thanked all the people who were present in the hall. He mentioned about all classes and sects of India. Sects means sections. There are many different religions in India, and in that many different sections are there. So he referred about all classes and sects of India. He proudly said that, "I am proud to belong to a religion which has taught the world tolerance and universal acceptance." Tolerance means patience. Universal acceptance means we accept all religions and we are accepting all the people as our brothers and sisters. We treat the whole world as a big family. His memorable speech made him famous all over the world. He said that the divisions of religions in the society has resulted in human hatred, means jealous or misunderstanding between different religions, which has created problems in the society. Felt that human society should be far more advanced where there were no divisions. Swami Vivekananda expressed his hope, saying that the time for driving away these evil forces in society had come. He told them that everybody should develop a sense of brotherhood and love for each other. Means he said we all should be like a big family, like a brothers and sisters, and we should love each other like a big family. There was a great respect and appreciation from the people of America. This made him famous all over the world. After his return to India, he spent his time preaching religious tolerance and worked for the upliftment of the poor. Means he, after coming to India, he went to all the places and helped the poor and needy people. He established Belur Mutt in 1898, which became the center of Ramakrishna Mission with the motto, "Work is worship." He had very short span of life on earth. The essence of his words has been inspiring men and women throughout the world. In this lesson, you have learnt about Swami Vivekananda, his childhood, education, and achievements. I hope you all understood the lesson. Thank you.